Introducing, ASUS ROG Phone 3. Before getting into the review, let's try to understand. What is ROG in ASUS? Republic of Gamers is a brand used by ASUS since 2006, encompassing a range of computer hardware, personal computers, peripherals, and accessories oriented primarily toward PC gaming. However, when the GeForce Partner program was cancelled, the AMD cards were renamed back to the ROG branding. That means ASUS ROG is good for gaming. Here is how. ASUS ROG, Republic of Gamers, is one of the best well-budgeted gaming laptop series. They are well optimized for gaming on medium or ultra-high settings, and as most gamers already know, laptop cooling can be a royal pain up the rear end. So we all spoke about laptop, now a phone is launched for the gaming. So, let's review, ASUS ROG Phone 3. India price starts at 49,999 rupees. Here's everything about the gaming phone. ASUS ROG Phone 3 is the most powerful Android smartphone in the world. The handset will be the first to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which increases performance and graphics speed up to 10%. ASUS on Wednesday announced the ROG Phone 3, the company's third-generation gaming-focused smartphone. This is a flagship Android smartphone with a 144Hz display, Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, and a 6000 mAh battery. The 5G-ready smartphone succeeds last year's ROG Phone 2. The new gaming phone starts at 49,999 rupees and will go on sale on August 6. The phone is exclusive to Flipkart in India. What's inside the ROG Phone 3? The ROG Phone 3 is the most powerful Android smartphone in the world. The handset will be the first to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which increases performance and graphics speed up to 10%. Alongside the powerful Snapdragon 865 Plus processor is an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, no SD card support, unfortunately. ASUS will also be selling a model with 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB storage. This variant is priced at 57,999 rupees. The ROG Phone 3's display has got a major update. There's a 6.59-inch AMOLED display rocking a 2340x1080 resolution and HDR10+ support. But the AMOLED screen is a 144Hz display with a 1 millisecond response time, but also supports 275Hz touch response. ASUS ROG Phone 3 is one of the few smartphones to feature a fast 144Hz refresh rate display. The ROG Phone 2 had a 120Hz AMOLED display. The display also supports an in-display fingerprint scanner. Another big highlight of this tank-like smartphone is a 6000 mAh battery. The battery should easily last more than a day depending upon the usage. The phone also comes bundled with a 30 watts fast charger, Quick Charge 4.0 supported. The phone also features a triple camera setup, featuring a 64MP IMX686 Sony camera sensor with 16MP quad Bayer performance, an ultra-wide 13MP camera and a 5MP macro camera. The handset also supports 8K recording, 4K HDR recording, and a Pro Video mode at the rear. The front camera is rated at 24MP. Other features of the ROG Phone 3 include 2 USB-C ports, GameCool 3 cooling system, new Air Trigger 3 technology dual front-facing speakers, multi-antenna Wi-Fi, quad mic noise cancelling array, and much more. The ROG Phone 3 runs Android 10 with ROG UI. At 240 grams, the device is heavier than many smartphones. What about new accessories? The ROG Phone line isn't about the beefy specifications or high refresh rate displays. ASUS is also giving emphasis on gaming accessories that support the ROG Phone. This year, ASUS will be updating a new accessories for the ROG Phone 3. This includes Kunai 3 Gamepad, ROG Clip and TwinView Dock 3. I have provided purchase links below in YouTube description box. This also contained links for many other interesting and unique products that you cannot come across through Google search. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel for future videos from my channel product reviews. Also click on the bell icon. Please give me a thumbs up by hitting on the like button. Also comment if you have any queries. I try my best to clarify your doubt. Thanks for watching. This is Jason Peter, signing off.